Handmade Walnut Pen Holder. Sounds simple, right? But here's what I've noticed after years around woodworking projects. The difference between something that looks handmade and something that looks premium is usually just a few tiny details most people miss. And that's actually one of the reasons I started using a woodworking plan library that I'll link in the description. It has thousands of plans, CAD viewers, step-by-step guides, and real project videos. When I first started making small desk projects like this walnut pen holder, I realized the biggest problem wasn't tools, it was knowing the exact measurements and techniques that actually work. That guide solved that for me. If you like projects like this, it's definitely worth checking out. Now, let's build something really cool. Today, we're making a handmade walnut pen holder that looks like the pen is floating in midair. Minimalist, elegant, and honestly, it takes less than an afternoon to build. I've made a few versions of this, and the design always surprises people. They look at it on the desk and immediately ask, "Wait, how is that pen just sitting there?" That reaction is exactly what we want. First thing we need to create is the crescent arm, the part that actually holds the pen. This C shape is the entire personality of the piece. If the curve looks awkward, the whole project looks off, so don't rush this step. I usually start by drawing a crescent moon template on paper. The outer arc should land somewhere around 6 to 7 inches in diameter. Nothing too tiny. You want the pen to feel balanced and visible. Once the shape looks right, trace it onto your walnut stock. Now comes the satisfying part. Grab your bandsaw and slowly follow that line. No need to rush here. Walnut cuts beautifully, and the slower you go, the smoother the curve will be. After cutting, you'll notice the edge still has those typical saw marks. Totally normal. This is where the project starts looking professional. Take it to a spindle sander or use a drum sander attachment. Smooth the inner and outer curves until everything feels fluid. When you run your finger across the curve, it should feel like one continuous motion. Here's a little trick I learned after messing up my first few versions. Step back and actually look at the silhouette from a distance. Sometimes a curve feels smooth, but visually looks slightly off. A quick adjustment here makes a huge difference. Next, we move to the base and the neck. For the base, cut a 4-inch diameter circle from walnut. This part sits on the desk, so a clean shape matters. I like adding a subtle decorative edge using a chamfer bit on the router. It's a small detail, but it instantly makes the piece feel more refined. You could also turn it slightly on a lathe if you have one. Even a simple beveled edge adds depth. Now for the neck. This is the pedestal that connects everything. Cut a 1-inch section of walnut dowel. That's it. Small piece, big job. Using a drill press, drill one hole halfway into the center of the base and another hole into the bottom of the crescent arm. These holes will hold the dowel and keep the whole structure aligned. Accuracy matters here. If the holes are crooked, the crescent won't sit straight. Now we create the illusion. This part is what makes the pen appear like it's floating in midair. On the left tip of the crescent, drill a shallow, angled hole about 1/4 inch deep. This tiny pocket catches the end of the pen. On the right tip, carve a small V-shaped notch. The pen barrel rests here. That's it. 2 small contact points, and suddenly the pen balances horizontally. The first time I tried this, I honestly didn't think it would work, but once the pen sits there perfectly level, it feels like a magic trick. Before gluing anything, do a dry fit. I always do this, every time. Put the dowel into the base, place the crescent on top, then rest the pen in the recesses. Check the balance, adjust if needed. Once everything lines up, apply a small amount of wood glue into the dowel holes. Press the neck into the base first, then attach the crescent. Make sure the crescent is perfectly perpendicular to the base. You don't even need heavy clamps here. Usually gravity and a light clamp are enough. Let it set for about 30 to 60 minutes. Now comes my favorite part of woodworking, sanding. Start with 120 grit to remove imperfections, then move to 220, then 320, and finally 400 grit. Walnut responds beautifully to sanding. The grain starts feeling almost silky. When you run your hand across the surface and it feels like glass, you know you're ready. For finishing, wipe on Danish oil. I've tested different finishes over the years, and honestly, Danish oil is where walnut truly shines. The grain just pops. Apply a coat, let it soak for about 15 minutes, then wipe off the excess. Come back the next day and apply a second coat. Once it fully dries, buff the piece with a soft cloth. Now the walnut has this subtle satin glow that looks incredible on a desk. And the final result? A clean, modern, handmade walnut pen holder that looks like it belongs in a design studio. Small project, big visual impact. And if you enjoy building projects like this, that woodworking resource I mentioned earlier is honestly one of the most useful things I've found. It gives you access to 16,000 woodworking plans, CAD viewers, step-by-step video tutorials, business guides, and even a custom plan request feature if you want something specific built. I still use it when I'm looking for new project ideas or when I want precise measurements before cutting wood. If you're curious, the link is in the description below. Anyway, if you try building this handmade walnut pen holder, send me a photo. I love seeing different variations people come up with. Because here's the truth about woodworking I've learned over time. Sometimes the smallest projects teach you the most.